Gestures are supported for both the trackpad and Magic Mouse. For example, to enter a command or select an object, use a one-finger click on the trackpad or a left click on Magic Mouse. To open a shortcut menu, use a two-finger click on the trackpad or a right-click on Magic Mouse. Different shortcut menus are displayed, depending on whether you're in a command or have an object selected. Pinch your fingers together on the trackpad to zoom out to see more of the drawing, or apart to zoom in to see more detail. On Magic Mouse, you can swipe one finger forward or back to zoom in or out. To pan the view of a drawing, use a two-finger swipe on the trackpad. You can also pan the drawing by holding down the spacebar and using a one-finger swipe on the trackpad, or by moving Magic Mouse.